Guys, we're gonna do a quick translation from Chinese to English with a video. Dus we have our 40, 20, 40, 60 amp controller. Dus you have that first, the little manual. Dus if you look on page number 14, you're gonna see the controller for the 20 and 40 amps, and then here you have 40 to 60 amps. Dus it's really easy, and you can go through your book. First thing that you see is here you're going to see the voltage when your battery is connected only. That's always the first thing you do. Once it's connected, then you're okay. That's the voltage. Just you can go through your display to this one, and we will explain that in a second. Alright. Now when you have that voltage and you want to change your settings, the first thing you do is you keep this button pushed in, the lower button, and it will go to the first thing. It say absorb. Let it go, and then you click once on it again. Now you can set this setting up and down. Just when it just keeps on going, it was at 14.2. I'm going to put it back at 14.2. And then on the bottom, you just click again. It's confirmed. Because if you go to the next button, then you're going to see float. That's your float voltage. Then you're going to see the next one. That's the low voltage disconnect, the LVD. Because that's for protecting your battery. Then you have low voltage reconnect. Just when do you gonna start connecting back a load? If you had a light on there, most people don't use it, but if you use it, it's for back connecting the battery. And you can also put something else between it, like a switch to turn everything off, or the relay. Then here you're gonna select your battery. Now we're gonna go to the battery. This is a gel battery, but if I want to change it, I go click on the bottom. Then I can click on the top, SLD. Then I have a flooded battery. We use the defined, because if a special float voltage is required and absorb temperature voltage, you can set those ones. And then you have gel again. So I'm going to select gel. Then here, the next one, that is the temperature. You can put it to Fahrenheit too. This one is here your lights. Most people don't use the light connection, and that's when you have most of the people use this when you have like outdoor lighting, and that's where the controller is used for, or billboards. Here you can set it also, and then you set the time, or you set it up just up on and off. I'm resetting the controller, but you can set it up because the controller is restarting. I'm just going to press the button again. Okay, you see absorb. I'm just going to go through the settings, and then you're going to see that gel with the temperature, and here's that light again. Okay, so I'm going to click on that one. Okay, now I can set it, and you're going to see you can set 1 to 24. How many hours does it has to burn after the sunlight. So I'm going to put it back at 0. And then most people get confused, because then you're going to see that 001 coming up, and everybody thinks they have an error, and it's not. Just going to go 20. I'm going to put that 1. Doesn't matter what it stands on. Just if I click. Now, if you want to go and you say, okay, I want to be out of the menu and store everything, you just keep on pushing the button, and voila, you're back in the regular setting.